guys, welcome back to Vanu's Food Moods. I'm Vanisha and let's see what's cooking today. So today we have a Colors of Freedom platter. And let's get to what's on the menu. Now we are prepping for the green masala curry. For that I've chopped up some onions, added some jeera, some coriander seeds, a few peppercorns and ginger, garlic and green chilies and a few cloves as well. After that I'm adding some ground cinnamon powder. If you have the cinnamon sticks you can add them directly. Some ground cinnamon powder goes in, as well as a few curry leaves and somph. I also had some mint chutney. If you have mint leaves that works just as well, but since I had the mint chutney I added that too, added some water and gave it a grind. Then I also soaked some masoor dal because it's orange in color. So I soaked it and then I'm going to give it a boil. I've not added any salt over here, so it's just plain. Now let's make the green curry. I added some oil, allowed it to heat and then added the ground green masala. Allowing the masala to fry a little, I added some salt to taste. Meanwhile, I've got rice boiling, that's the dal. And yes, here's the green curry getting ready. Now I'm also adding the big green chili, these are also known as bhaji chilies, and allowing that to simmer for a while. In the meantime, I'm going to strain the rice and that's ready. Keep it aside, you're done with that. Coming back to the curry, now I have some boiled meat over here. I just boiled it with pepper and salt. I'm adding that to the curry. Add a tiny bit of pepper if you like, salt to taste if it's not enough, and then just give it a good mix. Cover it and allow the flavors to cook. You can even use this masala to make a vegetable curry as well. Once the dal was cooked, I just mashed it up with some turmeric, chili powder and salt. And that's ready as well. And there it is, the yummy Colors of Freedom platter is ready. I also added in a mango dessert. I'll be putting up the recipe for that soon. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And while you're at it, please feel free to check out my entertainment channel, all kinds of everything. You'll find the links to that in the About section, my featured channels. I'll even put a link in the description. So please feel free to check it out and I'll see you soon. But until then, you be safe, stay happy, eat healthy and bye-bye.